Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Purvi. I make a lot of different type of videos, and I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a video. So now getting to the point of this video, because that's how you clicked on it by the title. This is my sister Ruchi. You've seen her in my previous video, I guess. And today when you're watching this video, it's her birthday too. So go ahead and wish her in the comments, because she's turning 22. Stream 22 by Taylor Swift, by the way. Okay. Okay, so today I'm gonna be glamming her up and we're gonna answer some of your questions, because I went ahead on Instagram and put up a story for you guys to tell me some questions that you want me to ask her or us as sisters, because I wanted to. Okay guys, so you are going to see me like this throughout this video, because I'm going to be doing her makeup, but I don't mind because I mean the highlighter, you know. Okay, sorry, I'm not gonna say anything else. So I'm gonna start her glam and we're gonna answer some questions. I have some questions here. So yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna use this serum on her face. This is the Spa Wig. I just use this before my makeup to make it a little more dewy, because we don't like a matte look. Okay, first question. Who is the older one? Who is the older one?
I should answer this.
Yeah, of course you're answering the questions.
I am only 2 months.
Yeah, we are actually the same age. We're just apart by 2.5 months. She's an August born. As you can see, today is her birthday when you're watching this, and I'm an October born. So yeah, we're 2.5 months apart, but we're the same age. But if you're taking months, then she's older.
Only 2 months.
Only 2 months. Yeah. Do you want me to call you Didi?
Yeah, sure.
I will do it. She doesn't like that. I've tried that before. She just gets
I'm
annoyed.
crazy.
She just gets annoyed. I'm gonna do her brows. I also did like waxed her brows. If you haven't seen that video, it's on my Instagram. I have posted on IGTV where I show you how I do my brows at home because of quarantine. So you can watch that. Self promotion, shameless self promotion. Also, I cannot find my brow pencil. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna use this. She is almost like, our hair is almost same, so it's not gonna be a little very different. Also, I'm gonna keep it a little natural for her. Okay, next question. If we have ever been in a fight, what is the longest we have been in a fight ever? If you remember any fights that we've had, because we don't fight a lot. We argue, but we don't fight a lot. So, what is the longest fight you think we've been in?
We don't really fight.
Yeah.
NA.
Not applicable. She's very intelligent, guys. As you can see, she's using all the knowledgeable terms. I'm a dumb bitch. So yeah, I don't think we've been in a very long fight ever, because we don't fight. We just argue and we just come to a, like, we agree to disagree sometimes. But yeah, we don't fight because we cannot live like that. We're just two nice people, you know.
Yeah. I'm more nicer.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay, fine. We'll see about that. See, this is what we argue about. Who is the nicer sibling? Okay, I'm going to use the Fit Me Concealer in shade 40 Caramel to color correct her under eyes. Okay, next question. How many kids do you want to have in future?
Future
This is a question from Instagram, by the way.
पता नहीं है.
We've not thought about it.
2.
2 kids?
यार अभी क्या हो रहा है वही सोचने का टाइम नहीं है. फ्यूचर.
That's true, guys. अभी क्या हो रहा है पता नहीं हमें. आगे क्या सोचेंगे. So you don't know how many kids you wanna have. A rough idea, maybe.
Maybe 2.
2 kids. Okay, guys, 2 kids. I don't know about me. I think I just want to have 1 kid. I want to
And
adopt
adopt,
one.
yes.
Yeah, we both talked about this before. I think there are so many kids who need a better life, and I think we should do that for them. So I think I'm gonna adopt, and I'm gonna have to find a spouse that's okay with that. That's gonna be a challenge.
स्टार्टिंग में लगा
I don't think.
लगाया. This is the first time ऐसा full
Glam करवा रही है.
full makeup.
हाँ मालूम है मुझे. इसलिए मैंने तेरा कभी किया नहीं ना. Also guys, I haven't done her makeup ever. I've been doing makeup for like a year and a half, 2 years now. But I was not doing it because I always wanted to do her makeup on camera. Like glamour her, do her makeup and then see her reaction to it, how it looks on her. So I just waited for it and I think that was a good choice. है ना? Correct choice थी ना? कभी I've never glammed her. Yeah, I helped her with things, but I've never done it like this, like complete glam. So she's now color corrected. I think I'm gonna put some more over here. Okay. We're gonna go into foundation. So this is my shade actually. I don't think it's gonna fit her. We are very close in skin tone, but we have different undertones. But I'm still gonna use this because I don't have any other foundation. So please bear with me. Please don't roast us in the comments. I know this is not her shade. So yeah, please don't roast her. It's her birthday, okay?
Sure, be nice. Be nice, yeah, be nice.
Sorry, I shouldn't talk like this. Please be nice.
Okay. Next question. Who is going to get married first? This is going to get into a fight. She.
मुझे
You are
नहीं
the
पता. Older but 2 months का कुछ होता
But
है.
still the older one. Guys, comment down below who should get married first.
अगर ये शादी नहीं करे तो पहले मैं नहीं कर रही. मैं शादी नहीं कर रही थी. मेरे को तेरे
अच्छा.
शादी में नाचने का सिंगल.
अरे तू अच्छा मैं
Single.
मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ नाचूंगी और तू सिंगल नाचेगी. ये तो अलग ही
तू
बेटा.
घर पे रख के आ उसको नाचना भी रख के जाके. तब मुझे उसका वो डायलॉग अच्छा लगता है. कौन है वो?
जिसे दोबारा मुड़कर मुझे
मुझे
नहीं
नहीं
देखा.
देखा.
Who is he? This is what we do, guys. Okay, so the married question, we don't know. We just keep fighting over it a lot because we are the same age. It's actually up to our parents because we are both going to get arranged marriages done.
But conclusion is कि she is going to
No.
get married
No,
first.
no.
Yes.
Don't try to act so smart. You know what?
I am smart.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा. Okay, while I'm blending this, I'm gonna skip because she cannot talk while I'm blending. So we'll be right back.
वो लोग बहुत interested है मेरे बातों में.
Of course, I. Okay, we're gonna go into the next question also. Sangeet choices for each other's weddings. This is from Rishika. Rishika, thanks for the question. This is a very nice question.
I know hers.
No, what you are going to do at my wedding? That you should say.
हाँ तो मुझे पता है तेरे को कौन से सॉन्ग पे चाहिए कि मैं नाचूं. एक तो वो मेरे को गाने का नाम नहीं याद है.
Sing
मतलब
it.
मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता.
Sing it for us. Navrain Nachi? No, I
उस
don't.
पे ये चाहते कि बुआ नाचे.
हाँ, but they're talking about.
मैं बन्नो.
Pannu.
बन्नो रे बन्नो.
अच्छा.
चली सस.
I'm going to cry.
She's going to cry.
I will. And
And I'm going to laugh.
एक ही गाना.
और
Okay.
कौन से गाने पे नाचू यार? तू बता.
नचने में सारी घर भर के आज हिल डुल के सारे नजारे किस्मत खाने.
तू जिसमें बोलेगी मैं नाच सकती हूँ.
What song should I choose for your wedding?
देख.
I
कबीरा
have
तो
a
है.
few.
कबीरा तो है.
You want me to dance on Kabira?
No.
वो बंदे-
I want you to sing.
You want me to sing? Everybody will go home. सब बोलेंगे कि किसको बुला लिया.
Everybody will laugh.
I'm gonna stand up.
And I want that. सब इस पे हंसे.
अच्छा. I think I'm gonna dance at like Bole Chudi and everything on your wedding.
Oh, कोशिश मत करना.
Why?
बोले चुप.
Guys, Bole Chudi
childhood
is
song.
a yeah. So it will bring good
तो फिर वो भी
memories.
आता मैया यशोदा.
हाँ, but मैया यशोदा जन्माष्टमी नहीं हो रहा ना. शादी है तेरी.
तो उसमें उनकी सगाई होती ना.
I will do that one. बनो तेरा स्वागत
लंदन
लागे.
ठुमकदा.
London ठुमकदा. Yeah, I'll dance on London ठुमकदा also. Yeah. But like,
ऋषिका ने बहुत सोच समझ के क्वेश्चन.
अरे उसके और भी क्वेश्चन थे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे. Shout out to Rishika. She is my school friend, my closest school friend rather.
Also my friend.
Yeah, she's also her friend. Sorry. One activity that we like to do together.
Chatting.
Talking.
Gossiping.
Talking.
And also
gossiping.
dancing.
Dancing. Yes,
We
I
dance
was
a
just
lot.
going to say that.
We dance a lot.
Nicknames.
We don't have.
We have. Bro, what?
Oh,
We're not going to explain, huh? We're just going to say the name.
मेरा था लेकिन यार.
मैं भी बुलाती तुझे.
But मैंने start किया.
हाँ ठीक है.
She is BKB.
You are BKB.
I'm BKB.
Wow, you got confused. She got so confused.
Okay, I'm so sorry. She is MKB.
Yeah.
And
You are BKB. She's BKB. I'm MKB. We call each other that. That has a lot of meaning behind it. But it is not a bad word actually. A lot of people are going to think that that is a bad word. It's not, I promise. She does not even say any bad word. She's the nicest kid you'll meet.
yes.
She does not even say fuck, so I'm gonna have to bleep that, but
We
whatever.
can say full form now.
No, let's not. No.
No.
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Say it.
So she is Mama ki Bhanji.
Yeah, MKB is मामू की भांजी and she's BKB बुआ की भतीजी होता है भांजी होता है
ए भतीजी होता है.
भतीजी होता है बुआ की भतीजी. If it's wrong, don't call us out. We are comfortable with it. I'm gonna contour her face a little bit. She has very nice cheekbones. She doesn't need that, but I'm still gonna do a little bit. Nice. Okay, next question. Who reads more? That's a very easy one.
Who reads more? किसने भेजा? ऋषिका ने.
नहीं पता नहीं किसी और का था. ऋषि ने ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेगी. उसको पता
उसको
है.
पता है.
उसको पता है.
ओ ऋषिका फेमस हो जाएगी अभी.
अरे वो
पूरे वीडियो में ऋषिका.
हाँ ऋषिका. As she should. You know, she's awesome. All of my friends are awesome. Oh my god. This is
Offend
going
हो
to,
जाएगी.
yeah, this is going to create so much problems. Oh god.
Okay, no doubt. She reads more.
Yeah.
I hate reading.
She does. She'll just sleep if you try to make her read.
I can watch a lot of movies.
Yeah, she likes watching. I likes
I
English. Mom.
likes,
I likes.
that. वो क्या बोल रही है?
If you watch the previous video, you'll know what that means.
अगर
that was
अगर
nice
आप
one.
जानना चाहते हैं कि वो क्या बोल रही क्या है तो जाइए वीडियो देखिए.
Yeah. Okay. Cream contouring is done. Look at that nose. Oh my god, I love that. So snatched. Okay, next question. This is a very juicy question. It's not. The answer is not juicy. Have we ever liked the same guy? No, we haven't. We have very different type.
Very different.
Very, like, literally apart, which is a good thing. We
You
don't
know,
want to be.
opposite attracts.
Yeah. We
Like it.
actually we have everything opposite. We don't like anything same in very weird ways because we love to do everything together, but we love different things, if that makes sense.
Doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it doesn't, but I don't know, I just said it. I'm gonna put it in the video also because it makes sense to me. What is the funniest moment together or memory together that you remember? You have?
बहुत है.
हाँ, exactly.
बहुत है.
मुझे बोल रही तू एक बोली तो मार खाएगी. But you have to select one, no?
तो ये तो टीम वर्क है ना, दोनों मिलके साथ.
ठीक है. What colors do you want?
ये सब मैं ही बताऊँ. करना है तेरे को जो करना है. मैं सोचती हूँ funniest.
2,000 years later.
यार अपना whisper challenge.
Last year किया था ना, जो यहीं पे थे ना हम लोग.
हाँ. Poker.
Oh yeah, guys, we played poker whole night. Oh my god, actually that has to be fun. She went bankrupt the
Every
first
time.
time. The first time when we played, she went bankrupt the whole game. We had to loan her money.
वो भी गया.
हाँ, and then also वो भी चला गया. And जब the second time, this time when they came, we played the other night, and I went bankrupt. But that was just me
Cheating.
being no, that was
Some-
not cheating. I was being a brat. I was being very like unreasonable. But I gave her money back. Okay, so you're not saying.
Then
that I
also
was-
bankrupt.
Yeah, she went bankrupt again in
Again.
this game also. So I think that should be that and the whisper challenge we did for us only. We did not do it on camera. That was like last year beginning. They came to visit, she and the brother.
Next question. Who takes longer to do their hair? You have to be honest about this, huh? I'm gonna kill you otherwise. Only if I'm doing straightening. No, otherwise also, come on. Hey, तू बहुत टाइम लेती है bro. अगर straightening नहीं किया a bun and just call it a day.
Not those girls that take like 14 minutes, 15 minutes to get ready because we have to get things done very quickly.
Especially सुबह जब late उठी.
That is you, that's not me. Don't include me in that. I'm a morning bird, she's a night owl. Question. Who and when was your first crush? This conversation we had like 2 nights
I'm
ago.
not going to say who.
Yeah, I'm also not going to say who. Just
So
when.
you go first.
No, you are going first. This is about you. It's not
Sarah
your
also
birthday in
said.
this video.
अरे यार. First crush.
Yeah.
Everyone knows it. पूरी
All
दुनिया
her
को पता
friends
है.
and all her classmates, everybody knows.
Even my
this.
family.
Yeah, that's so true. My family doesn't know my first crush. They're about to know in this video. Hi Papa, hi Mummy. मार पड़ेगी मुझे बाद में.
In college.
Yeah. Her first crush was very recent. She was like very away from the crush culture. Oh my god, crush culture. Stream by Conan Gray. That man is magic. Okay, sorry. So yeah, hers was in college. Mine was in school. This is going to sound so bad. In 8th grade. But that was just like because he was my
I know
good
that.
friend. He knows it now, and we laugh about it. We're just friends now.
Oh.
I'm not sad about it. We are not even compatible. It was just like 8th grade. Everybody was having crushes. So I was like, okay, fine. I also have a crush on him. We were like best
Let's
friends.
go with the trend.
Yeah, crush culture again. She was not into it. I got it. That was like my first crush, and then after that, I didn't have a crush for like 5 years. I've only had 2 crushes my whole life, so that explains. I'm not a very trendy person. If I like someone, I like someone. Which I don't. That's why I'm lonely. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish her other eye off camera, and we will be right back.
5 minutes later.
Guys, we're back. Both eyes are done. You guys like it? You guys hate it? Is it good? Am I trash? Let me know in the comments. Do we keep secret from each other? I used to, but not anymore.
Not anymore.
I was a secretive person, very secretive. I still am, but not with her anymore. I was a very secretive person like 3 years ago. Not anymore. I'm like an open book. Okay, next question. What was the last gift you bought each other?
Oh, recently.
Yeah.
I gave her what?
A lipstick.
Lipstick.
I'll show you guys.
Powder.
A powder puff by NYX.
Yes.
I wanted it, and she was like, "Do you want anything? I'm gonna buy it for you. Just send me one thing that you want." So I sent her this powder puff lippy because I wanted it for a very long time. It's very nice.
Oh.
What did I buy you? I have to think. I think the last birthday I bought you things. I don't think ever since that I've bought you anything. Have I? No. On her last birthday, I took her shopping. It was a very fun day. You bought this last year only, no?
Yes.
This is her last birthday's outfit actually. Oh my god, this will go up on your birthday and you're wearing your previous birthday outfit. I just realized. Oh my god, that's trippy. So yeah, I took her on a shopping spree on her 21st birthday. It was fun. Yeah. दिसतंय का कॅमेरावर?
खूप जास्त.
समोर नाही दिसत मला. Also, we are multilingual. We talk in Marathi, Hindi, and English. So you
And some code languages.
yeah, we have our own code languages. We just see each other and we know what we want to speak.
Like,
If you could meet anyone in the world, dead or alive, who would it be? One person that you want to meet like this. I want to meet this person.
my favorite actress.
Who?
Scarlett.
Scarlett Johansson.
Scarlett Johansson. I
Yeah.
love her. She's my favorite Black Widow. I want to meet her.
I want to meet Taylor Swift. She also knows this. I'll do anything to meet
Taylor
her.
Swift and
And what?
Selena Gomez.
Yeah. Actually, I have 3: Serena, Sean, and Taylor.
Sean.
I've become a Sean fan very recently, like 2 years, I think. I've been a Selena and a Taylor fan since I was a teenager, and I'm 21 now. I'm turning 22 this year. तुझे लगा ना ये खुद से? I'm not going to put her lipstick on in the mirror. Okay guys, this is the completed look that I did on my sister, a complete glam, because she never does this much makeup, so I wanted to do that.
Do that.
And I did it. And what is this? I've been doing this a lot. Okay, and I did it for her, for
And
me.
I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes.
Everything about it? Is there something you don't like?
No, I like everything.
Okay, that's amazing. I think that's it for today's video. If you guys
Yes.
enjoyed this video, what do they have to do?
Like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon.
Very good.
बस ना.
So that you never miss another video. And if you'd like to see more of me, you can follow me on my socials. I am on Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram. All of my ads will be on the screen and in the description box below.
क्या हो रहा है?
And पता नहीं. And of course it's her 22nd birthday, so please wish her a very happy birthday and leave some very nice comments for her in the description. She will be reading the comments with me, so be nice, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
Also follow me on Instagram.
You don't have an Instagram. Will you make an Instagram
I don't know.
by the time your birthday is there?
I don't know.
When we are filming this, there is like 3 days left, no? Yeah, there's 3 days left for her birthday. Maybe she'll make. If she makes, I'm gonna put her at in the description. So go ahead and follow her. If not, I'm gonna cut this whole thing out. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep loving.
Bye.